Hi, today I'm ready with me Poco C65 and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Click here to other notifications and reminders. And here just you could use ringtone, the online one from the internet, or also we could switch it to my account. Tap here to ringtones and select one from them. By this one, then just tap to apply, click to OK, and that's it, applied successfully. Let's go back to the sounds vibration and we could see here that we just change the notification sound on our Poco device. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.